TV, point the camera for me, dog. Yo, point the camera for me. Brand new thing out of town. I'm going to ramble my thing. You take soap, a black the road. Police! Hallelujah, calling.
All right, sir, all right.
JDF attack.
Yes, JDF.
Good morning, a little of everything Jamaica TV. This is the Shield of Faith. So I want to show enough respect to Mr. Willie. He's the head of traffic in Mandeville. So he controls all the areas in Manchester. So I want to show enough respect to him because he's doing a good job. So respect you. Yeah, bless.
So good morning, viewers and subscribers. So the situation this morning is pretty much we were on our way to Christiana, and as we speak there is currently a roadblock taking place. So we are actually stuck in the roadblock. I think there was some issue between a taximan and some policemen. So not too clear on that, so I don't really want to elaborate on that. But the fact of the matter, what's happening now, we are stuck in the roadblock, and it has been for maybe about 45 minutes or so. So you have children, walking past, trying to go over the roadblock and so on. But pretty much, we can't move. I was told that there's a truck in the middle of the road. So you pretty much cannot do anything. So we're just here waiting. All right, so we'll show you, what has been happening and how things progress as they go along.
Thank you, baby. You know what we have to
to be walking to work.
We'll shave some pounds. We'll shave some pounds.
Wanna send the baby?
Me know. Me tired. We gotta get him ready to go up to school. I know it's another drama.
They block the road in my ears, so they need to police.
So
Hold on, Papa, hold on with that.
So guys, pretty much what we are seeing is the police trying to clear one side of the road. So we're pretty much just observing what is happening. Okay. So we're in the vicinity of the Bill's Funeral Home that's close to Christiana, and all the roads, because if you look to your right rather, going to Christiana, you'll see that there's an off-road as well that is also it also has a lot of traffic. Everybody trying, you know, to go to school and work, and so a lot of persons have been hindered. So like we say, we are observing what is happening because we too are stuck in the roadblock, and I see, you know, some persons are getting to move.
Alone can do it. The inspector alone can do it. And you can't bring out so much ignorant police. You don't come brutalize human being. That's a human, you know. Just like that. And if you beat a man, almost mash him up, what you are going to do tomorrow? I see him here, they do me a one sheet, I think me use different methods. Take in their uniform and their badge, take them off the road. Put them round there to the work. Talk with the people them. Me I support all of the taximan them. Me I withdraw my vehicle off of the road. And I support them. White of your thought that they will lock you up too. Say you back to your money you're coming. You what me I try to say? They are scammer. At the end of the day, they work for your team. At the end of the day, I will tell all the taximan them, withdraw their service tomorrow again. And if nobody no come contact them that they can get a park, withdraw one of that day. And again and again. And on the week if they not talk to them, withdraw again until they get something out of this. So we ain't see me there, that's why me call him to contact to and he not contact.
I'm here again. Reporting. I'm here again. Reporting. Manchester. Manchester, I'm here again.
Okay, so what is your name, sir?
Cameron is the name.
Okay, and what is the issue this morning in terms of the roadblock?
All right, the issue this morning in terms of the roadblock is that a taximan got beat by police yesterday.
Yes.
And then they need a proper parking system.
Right.
So I am in support of the taximan 100%, you know.
Yes.
Because if they don't have a place to park, they will always continue to get tickets. Now, police from all over will always come to Christiana and they want to beat taximan. Taximan a human being, you know?
Yes.
You can't beat man, so.
So in terms of yesterday's situation though, he was in his designated parking area?
Yes.
Okay, and what happened?
He said to me that he was in the line, loading his car,
Right.
but somebody else was blocking. He was close to the person that was blocking. So the police come down because the police thought that they could go through that road, but they cannot go through that road because taximan has that road.
Right.
Now, the police said to him, say, you and you, carry the papers come. So he refused because he was saying, I am not blocking.
Right.
So he refused. Now, as he refused, the policeman start to apprehend him.
Right.
No, you can't apprehend a man because he might tell you, say, no, me never a black traffic.
Yes.
You can't beat a man for that. Who gives these police this right to beat a man for that? You
Right.
cannot beat citizen for that.
Right. So ultimately, now, as a result, what do you hope will happen after this roadblock, or what do you want? What message do you want to send?
I am asking the relevant authorities to come together in Christiana so that they can have a park.
Okay.
They had a park by Sinclair where KFC is building now. They had a park there for years. Now, them just throw them out on the street because Sinclair want in place. You can't throw a taxi man on the street. They are paying their road license and every week them get 2 or 3 or 4 tickets. How can that pay them? So what you need to do, we're asking that the relevant authorities come together and sort them out.
Okay.
Mr. Shaw is a Minister of Transport. And if you can have a Minister of Transport in this constituency and they don't have a proper park, it don't look good. It don't look good.
All right. Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome.
Level. Yeah, good morning. This is the Shield of Faith. I apply the route from Christiana to Albertown. I've been running taxi over 20 years. Yeah, and we have a lot of struggles with the police officers at times. You have good police officers, you have bad police officers. And even last week, I got through the same thing that Pestos went through yesterday when the police beat him, but I didn't get any beating. So we need a park. We are down by Market Street, and it is a place where criminal element, they even robbed a lady down there Thursday and his son. Yeah, so what we need now,
so we need a park. And it's been over years and years. So we need a park.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah, over 1,000 taxi operators are here. From Christiana to Warsaw, Tiki, Silent Hill, Litchfield, up by lime tree lane up at top there. So yeah,
So all these taxi drivers are supposed to park in the Market Street?
yeah, and it cannot hold us.
Okay.
Sometimes some of us have to be on the road on the front and the police give you a ticket for that. And we don't have any park, so we need a park just now.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I want a park, man. People need a park.
All right. Yeah,
So I'm just apologizing to all my passengers today, you know, for the delay of our transporting them from one point to the other. So I'm very sorry because we don't want this to happen. But at the moment, we have to take a stand. And if we don't take a stand, we're not going to have a point, we're not going to have any meaning, we're not going to get no park. And we need a park to park our car in the right area. So police now giving no trouble. And we respect the police officers. So they need to show respect to the taxi operators. We respect on the same way. But we need to look into yourself and show respect to each and every taxi operator. So have a blessed day. Thanks for coming. Jamaica TV. A little of everything. Jamaica TV. You know what we say? This is where we take up the most. Corner to corner and coast to coast. See. Them have to feel the divine force because she la faith full of the Holy Ghost. Yo, Rambo Canambo. Yo, we are past the big deep fridge. We don't want no chicken, we don't want no sausage. See. We don't want no camel fib or no porridge. What we want? 3 bags of strength and courage. Well, we don't want no police giving no trouble because every day we come out here, they want to give it double ticket. And we not in that, we not in no trouble. I'm say respect to them because I most like carry through. All right, blessed assurance. I want to show respect to all the peace officers, the traffic police them, the inspector at the station. Respect goes out to Mr. Reed, he's a traffic officer, and Mr. Forbes, real police them look out for you them and then this you them. So I just want to show respect to them and then continue to do their duty willing and kindly and continue to respect the police officer. We respect the officer and they continue to show us respect. That is how we are going to change the society, by living in one unity, unity, love. Bless up yourself, a little thing. Uptown, Jamaica TV. Boom.